let's talk a little bit today about CLT networks. Let's start with a small presentation just to break the ice. This is our 50 um, training session and the last one of this year. So the idea today is to close our meetings in 2025, talking a little bit about networks, about how to be together and strengthen our initiatives. So, what is the role of the networks in a CLT or in a group that are in a group that is start working with CLTs or are interested in learning more about CLTs? The networks definitely help to disseminate the model, also to organize the initiatives. It could help to develop the materials and the methodology of work that will be necessary to implement a community land trust. Some networks are also strong enough to provide some technical support and be part of a network or more than one network also strengthen the solidarity bonds between the groups, between the people. So we have a bunch of CLTs networks around the world. So these ones in red are nationals networks. So we have in Australia, Belgium, here in Brazil, Canada, England, France, Puerto Rico. We have also a continental network. There is the European CLT network and also some regional network. And these are most strong in the US, considering that is the country that have the major number of community land trust for more time. So there are some regional networks there. So it is really, and of course, we have the International Center for Community Land Trust. There is not a network, but is kind of bring together all the networks to help to disseminate, to help to produce materials, to give some technical support. So maybe we are some connecting points between all these networks that we have here. Of course, it is easier to find networks already established in countries or in regions that already have community land trusts or projects in a very advanced phase. But we can also think about a network as something like a Global South network that actually was the first idea that we had. A place to exchange, to learn more, to have some technical support. Basically, what we are trying to do in these training sessions, but bringing us still more together. So, why to have a Global South network inside this umbrella of the Global South initiative? Why it could be interesting for us to be a network or to consider ourselves like this? So we definitely have a similar challenge in our countries. We have already saw it in many opportunities. We have land rights not formalized, a large number of informal settlements. We have a major worry about the security of land tenure. We have the solidarity as a value in our communities, in the territories, and also between ourselves. And we all understand the importance of exchange and mutual aid, mutual support to develop other forms of ownership, not just the community land trust, but also housing cooperatives and other models of collective land tenure that we have already get in touch. So the idea is to provoke here a discussion and well, food for thought about the potential of the networks and if it makes sense for us to think in a global South network, it makes sense to us to develop this initiative even more in the next years. So that's it. Thank you.